guys, wait. Is the first thing you do when you get home is rip off your bra? Then you need to stick with me for a little bit. I'm Laura if you are new, and I do have some furry sidekicks with me if you happen to see them. I have Dexter, Willie, and Loki. We're happy you're here. Please stick around and hit that subscribe. I'm going to be talking about Ebie. I know if you guys are checking out my What I Wore videos, I talk about Ebie a lot because I wear it a lot, but it is seamless undies that you need in your life. You need it in your life. Ladies, this is the underwire that was supporting us previously. It does not bend. It is uncomfortable. It digs into your skin. Like, this is what we were using to hold up our boobs, right? This was it. Nobody wants this. It's so uncomfortable, and this is why you want to take this off of your body as soon as you can, right? As soon as you get it on, you're ready to take it off. 2 hours later, you want it off, and by the end of the day, you can't wait to get it off. We're saying bye-byes. We're not doing that anymore. So what are we going to do, right? What are we going to do? The answer is right in front of you. It is called Ebie, and they are the master of the no pain bra. No pain, no pain. And why is that? Because there's no wires. There's absolutely no wires. They have the first ever smart support technology, which is the first of its kind, and it gives you support without the wire. So right here, this is the wireless support that you're going to get from your bra. Do you see that? It does have light pads in here. Can you see that? You can see that, a little bit of support there, right? That's all you need. And it has adjustable straps. Check out the mesh backing in their support bralettes. I love these so much. I love their bralettes. I have one on today. They are everything. They're the most comfortable things you'll ever wear. You will never want to take them off. It's true. It really is. I wear them to bed because I have kids in my house running back and forth. I have a son who's always having people visit. I wear these to bed. I'm always comfortable. Never thinking about taking off my bra. Never. All right, so these have stretch. Easy to get over your head and put these on because you can see there is none of that buckle in the back, none of that snap in back, right? Connector. They have matching panties. Check these out. No slip grip. Do you see that? These will stay exactly where you put them. No bulge. There's going to be no side bulge in these pieces ever. No side bulge. No panty lines. What? No panty lines. I have these on today too. No panty lines. They're the most amazing, amazing things. They feel great on. They have so many sizes for everybody. This is the thong. They're amazing. They even sell them in sets. Get it together. And you get a discount when you buy it in a set. And if you can't, once you get addicted, which I am, you're going to want to subscribe. If you subscribe, you get 3 panties every 3 months, and you get a discount on all their products all the time. How about a pop of color? I could not pass this one up. Check that out. This one has the deeper plunge in the front. This has the 3-layer on the sides to keep that side bulge. It's never going to happen. You're not going to get side bulge. You're not going to get back bulge. They're going to look and feel absolutely amazing. But how about a blue? I'm loving this blue color. They have your basics. They have all the things. The underwear runs from about $17 to $19. The support bra is $59. This wireless bralette, $50. Don't worry, I have a discount for you. If you use my discount, you get 15% off site-wide on all the amazing goodies. You're going to have such a hard time deciding what to get. You're going to want to get it all. All right, and then they have tanks. So that same seamless technology in the undies and in the bra. How about in the tank? And I will try this one on for you. It's so good. It is so good. And it's reversible. So you have that V on one side, and you have the U on the other. You're going to want to grab these in every color. Let's talk about the deals they've got going on, and then I'm going to show you what I have on because I have the undies and the bra on right now, and then I'm going to show you that tank. So, like I said, if you use my code, you're going to get 15% off site-wide on everything. 15% off, and you will get free shipping when you buy a matching set or a bra bundle, okay? And then they have buy two in June. So in June, it's buy two, get one free on the bras using the code FREEBRA. What? Love that. And the codes can't be combined. So you'll have the option to either choose using my code or getting the free bra. So see what works out best for your budget. Let's do a quick try on. All right, so I love to match my undies to my top, and that's what I did with this amazing bralette. So as you can see, I just picked the pearl color. This one is so, so pretty. Goes so nice under here because I have a little bit where it comes, kind of shows in the armpit, and see how it doesn't matter because it looks like it's the same color. So seamless, sticks right to your body. There's no bulge, as you can see. It's all nice and smooth. It's gorgeous. Check that out. Nothing. It looks amazing on. Same with the undies. So there is no show at all. You can't see where my underwear is, right? I recognize I have jeans on, but you can wear these with a dress, a skirt. You're not going to see them. They feel amazing on. Just for reference, I am a 34D. I wear a medium. I do a medium on the bottom as well because I have 36-inch hip. It's just the most comfortable for me. And I would like to wear a thong, so you certainly don't want that thong being too tight. And you're going to love it. You're absolutely going to love these pieces. All right, so I just want to show you, I do have the matching undies on. Check these out. Again, so, so smooth. You guys see this? So, so smooth. They feel amazing on. I love them. No show. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And then, how about this tank? So I left the same bralette on, just so you know, it's the exact same bralette that I had on that I showed you under the other top. And look how seamless everything is. It's just so, so seamless. There is no bulge. Everything, you can't, the bra underneath it, you wouldn't know is here if I didn't let you see this white out here, right? You wouldn't even know the bra is there. It is that seamless. Check this out. You have no bunching here on the sides. You can tuck this in, you can leave it out. This is very long, so let me show you what that looks like, because you, look at this. You can choose to tuck it in, you can choose to leave it out. You're gonna have smooth everywhere. What do you guys think? It's amazing, right? Go grab your comfy bras. Throw away the underwires. Go with no pain. You're going to forget you even have them on, and you will be supported. I'll put all the information for Ebie down below. I'll put my discount down below so you can check it out. I can't wait to hear what you think when you try them. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye-bye.